Maingay ha, baka magalit yung multo. Naniniwala ka ng multo? Meron kaya dito. Ayaw na ayaw nila sa maingay. Yung ka maingay. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Wala na. Galit na yung...
Don't play this song at 0.3 times speed. The language isn't real. The voices don't sound human anymore. Some say it stops being music and starts listening back. Have you...